Hi, I'm Chris Saeed, Los Angeles criminal defense attorney, and welcome to CBS Law, where we deliver results, not promises. I'm going to talk to you today about 4 concrete things you can do if you ever find yourself being arrested or investigated for assault with a deadly weapon. First, you have to take photographs of any injuries that you or a loved one sustained. Second, you have to write down the names and phone numbers for any potential witnesses. Third, you have to invoke your right to remain silent. What does that mean? Do not talk to the police about what happened. Don't even talk to friends or family about what happened. And certainly don't post online about what happened. A little known fact: any words or statements you make to anyone who isn't your attorney can be recorded by the police and will be used against you in your criminal case. Now, what exactly constitutes a violation of Penal Code Section 245A1, which is assault with a deadly weapon, or Penal Code Section 245A2, which is assault with a firearm? First, that you didn't act. Second, that act with a weapon, whether it be a firearm or something else, by its natural and probable consequence would result in the application of force to another. Third, that you had the present ability to apply that force against another person. And fourth, that you didn't act in self-defense. Now, the most common defense that we utilize in assault with a deadly weapon case is self-defense. Self-defense under California law has a very particular definition. First, that you reasonably believed that you were under the immediate threat of an unlawful touching or bodily harm. Second, that you reasonably believed force was necessary to deter that immediate threat. And finally, that you used no more force than was necessary to deter that threat. Now, at CBS Law, we utilize investigators and expert witnesses to frame the evidence to support a defense of self-defense. We're going to utilize investigators to call those witnesses whose names and numbers you wrote down to collect evidence. And we're also going to use your detailed narrative of the account to be able to utilize expert witnesses to explain why force was necessary or why someone would reasonably believe force was necessary in your situation. So if you find yourself being investigated or arrested for assault with a deadly weapon, call CBS Law now at 213-800-8005, and together we'll get your life back.